Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a hidden dancer. So here's the plan. We're first going to hide a sprite. Then we're going to wait a random amount of time and show the sprite. And then we're going to make the sprite dance, be like this. And then we're going to repeat this process. So it keeps hiding and showing the sprite randomly. So to do that, I'm going to do this on Scratchcat. You can do it on whatever kind of hidden dancer you want. So I'm going to say when the green flag is clicked, I want to hide the cat, and then we're eventually going to show Scratchcat after we wait a random amount. Now, when doing this, in order to make it wait a random amount, we could say wait between 1 and 10 seconds, or 1 minute and 5 minutes, however long you want. I want to make this short, so I'm going to say 3 seconds. So that way, when I'm testing the code out, I don't have to sit here and wait for 5 minutes and be like, okay, when's it gonna come out? Oh, there it is. So between 1 and 3 seconds, we should see Scratchcat appear again. Let's try it. So hides and then shows up. If we do it again, waiting a little bit longer, and then shows up again. Cool. All right, so that works. Now I want to actually make it so that Scratchcat dances. Now Scratchcat isn't a super great dancer, only has a couple moves, so only 2 costumes. So I'm going to say, hey, let's do this. We're going to switch costumes and wait 1 second, and you'll do that a total of 8 times. Okay, so 8 times Scratchcat is going to switch costumes, and when we press green flag, let's watch this. So, appears, switching costumes. And this should stop right now. Okay, so that works great. Now we can actually take this whole thing and put it inside of a forever loop, so that way it will forever repeat this process. So once this finishes, it'll go all the way back up, make Scratchcat hide again, and then repeat this whole thing. Now we can make this even fancier if we'd like to. I like to make things fancy. I don't know about you. So I'm going to make it so that Scratchcat will go off the screen, like way over here. So I'm going to use a motion block and say, hey, go to right there while you're hidden. And then when you show up, I want you to go right here. So we're going to make him glide over there once he shows up. And then we could be like, okay, that's cool. And also play a sound right when you start dancing. So now let's watch this and see what happens. Now it should change costumes. And then it'll hide, and Scratchcat will be over here. Then it'll repeat it again. Awesome. Now the only thing we need to change to make this more of a, an Easter egg or a little hidden prize in our project is change this to a higher number. So I want to say between 60 and 120 seconds. So Scratchcat's going to appear every 1 minute to 2 minutes. Now if I had tested this out with those numbers at the very beginning, we would have been waiting here potentially for 2 minutes before it actually showed up, and that would make a very boring video. So test out this code, make a hidden dancer. It's kind of complicated, but I think you can follow along in the video, rewind if you get stuck, and use this code as an example of some cool stuff you can do.